I'm reviewing every website builder that I can find on the internet to see if we can find some actually usable ones. This is Elastic Path. I believe it used to be called Unstack, but it looks like these guys bought them. Specifically, it's Elastic Path Studio. Elastic Path seems like a larger brand that has a bunch of like business intelligence systems to help you manage data and optimize sales. But their Studio allows you to rapidly launch shoppable landing pages, sites, and storefronts. Unfortunately, I usually like to try the website builders to show you them on camera, but it looks like they are hidden behind a demo scheduling. So you have to talk to the team to get them to get all salesy with you before you can actually try their builder, which is not great. That generally means that it's aimed more at like enterprise and business customers. So big businesses that need to heavily optimize their merchant systems are probably going to go with something like Elastic Path. And that's why they have their own built-in builder, right? And that looks like they bought it from another system. Um, but it does look kind of cool. I'm not usually in the business of reviewing business tools. I review everything from the perspective of a solo entrepreneur, somebody that is trying to make their stuff on the internet or make their product. And this is not me. I don't build heavily optimized sales pages. I build products. But I watched the little video right here, and it looks like you can basically build a simple website based on blocks, kind of like the website that they have for their homepage, and then you can optimize it really aggressively based on the individual customer. So you can set up formulas and systems to A/B test different lines really nicely to see which line converts better, like a title for a specific product. You can have check-ins built in. The whole system seems pretty templated, so you don't get much design customization, but that's not what it's for. What it's for is optimizing exactly how many sales you can get. It looks like you might be able to manage inventory. You can obviously create payments through their system, but I can't tell you anything else beyond that. The pricing is for their larger stuff in general, and it doesn't even look like they show the pricing, which is weird. Can I find the pricing anywhere? Does this have it? Yeah, exactly what I expected. Starts at $2,200 per month, and then the other subscriptions are multi-year subscriptions that you have to work with them to set up. So not for the individual user. I'm going to give this a pretty low score from my perspective. So yeah, I'm giving it a 2 out of 5. Like, it doesn't seem like a bad tool. It just seems like an extremely expensive tool that's only valuable to the biggest companies that need to absolutely viciously optimize every step of the customer lifecycle on an e-commerce site. So that's not for me, and it's probably not for you if you're watching this video. So 2 out of 5. The review is up on beta.co, Beyta. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about specific tools, leave them in the comments. I can answer them. And I'll see you in the next review.